Today we're making a recipe from Boy Meets Grill by Bobby Flay. We both love key lime pie, so we're making key lime pudding cake. You start by mixing the sugar, flour, and salt together in a bowl until combined. Next, mix the egg yolks, lime zest, key lime juice, and milk together in a large bowl. We used Nellie and Joe's famous Key West lime juice for this recipe as we like it the best. Once all of the wet ingredients are well combined, add in the flour mixture and mix together. We actually don't own a handheld mixer, so for this step we chose to use our stand mixer. For this step, beat the egg whites for a few minutes until they form soft peaks. Now it's time to gently fold the egg whites into the lime mixture. We chose to do this in batches, otherwise it would have made a really big mess. Just continue to add in the egg whites in batches until fully combined. Then you'll pour the mixture into a buttered baking dish. The smaller baking dish will go into the larger roasting pan that will be used for the water bath. The recipe does say to add the water in once it's in the oven, but we actually found it easier to add the water in before putting it in the oven. Either way works. Bake the cake for about 40 to 45 minutes depending upon your oven. You just need to wait until the top is a light brown. Once the cake is done, let it cool on a wire rack for about 30 minutes. Per the recipe, serve the pudding cake warm with fresh whipped cream. We stored the pudding cake in the fridge overnight and had it again the next day cold, and it was still just as delicious as it was when it was fresh. Let us know in the comments below if you make this recipe.